Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm down in Houston at a two classes that afternoon and taking a break from Jason Ram's photo class. And somebody emailed me while I'm down here, and they want to put a contour around a whole word and not individual word. Now, text is a big deal. What font it is, but I picked a round font. So what you want to do always when you do this is go left click, right click, no fill. Now it's grouped together because it's a font. So we're going to go to effects and contour. We're going to contour to the outside with rounded corners at 0.4. And it's already done. Now we're going to change that up in just a second. But I'm going to go to object and break the contour apart. And then I'm going to move the contour down. I need to change my nudge factor like to 2 inches. And I'm going to move the contour down. And we've got some little inner parts. If you go up to object and break the contour apart, you can either click on those and get rid of them, or just click on the outside and move it up. Now, that should work or answer the question. Now, a straight font's going to be a little bit different, but if that's too far away, so we contoured 0.4, let's go 0.2 to the inside. And now you have quite a bit less of a contour. If we're going to go to object and break contour apart, let's make a copy of this so we can look at both of them. So this one, we're going to get rid of the outside contour. This one, we're going to get rid of the inside contour. Whoop. Tell you what, it's a lot easier to take this and move it up and then get rid of the interior contour, put this back, and while that's selected, go ahead and fill it back in with black, fill this back in with black. So you've got quite a thinner contour, and you could maybe even go a little bit more. I'm thinking this might be a cut line around a word. Now, every font's going to be a little bit different, but you can always go past your point and come back. Because a lot of times if you don't go enough, it'll get inside these letters. And by making it bigger first, it's going to go past the letter, and then it doesn't even really know the letters are there because it's going to come back. Anyway, I hope that helped that young person, and thank you for watching.